By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. I would now like to invite our Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Ben Calvert, to speak. Please be seated.
Dr. Ben Calvert, dwi is Ganghellor Prifysgol de Cymru, Anrhyderus Ganghellor, an oil gyfeithlion. Croeso mawr i chi gyd. Chancellor, graduates, honoured guests, congregation. Mae heddi in amser I dathlu clwyddiant. Today is an important day for many reasons. It is a chance to celebrate your achievements with your family and your friends, to bring a symbolic close to the endeavour to achieve your qualifications, and for us, as a university, to welcome you into our community of graduates. Croeso in cymuned o Raddodigion. We are always immensely proud to do that, and each year, this is the day that we all look forward to the most. The last couple of years have been different, with our day-to-day routines and interactions turned on their heads. Our ability to be human to our fullest extent, to see each other and share the joys and challenges of our personal journeys has been stressed and tested. Throughout this time, we endeavoured to be a source of constancy when so much else was uncertain. We gave each other structure, classes to attend, even if they were taking place virtually, schedules and deadlines to meet, assignments to hand in, exams to take, achievements and heights to reach, a reason to keep going and to move forwards. We were able to do this because our roots as a university are strong in our purpose to prepare you for the world outside the walls of our campuses and to give you opportunity. And since the establishment of our founding institution in the 1860s here in the city of Newport, to use education to help solve the scientific and social challenges of the day. With a constant purpose, this university has prospered through periods of significant social change, periods of global conflict, and a global pandemic. And through that, we've added to the ability of our region, nation, and our international community to remain resilient and prosper because of the talent that we produce and the research that we undertake, in partnership and with a purpose to change our lives and the world for the better. There's no denying that your story of university life has been different. It may not have always been what we collectively expected or even wished for. It's certainly been memorable, and you did it. You completed your awards in perhaps the most difficult circumstances experienced by any graduates for many years, and that is an amazing testament to your tenacity, resilience, and your ability. Diolch I chi am ei gweithgared ac ymroddiad. And it is those qualities and your qualifications that you are now taking into your careers and your lives. You are making your own mark on the world, like thousands of USW graduates who have come before you. Across the world, there are graduates of your USW leading businesses and becoming experts in their professions. As I start this ceremony in this wonderful venue, I'd like you to remember three things. Today is your chance to celebrate your achievement, so make sure you do it and do that hard. Your achievement is down to your hard work and your tenacity, and we're incredibly proud of you. Now, people in the audience, you've got a role to play today as well. So when your son, daughter, friend, colleague, partner walks across the stage today, your role is to make sure that they know how proud you are of them. You can do that in a number of ways. You can do it by clapping very, very loudly. You can holler, you might scream, you can whistle. but you need to do it loudly to fill this large auditorium. So I suggest that we have a practice. Okay? As loud as you can. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. If you were getting an award for that, 2-1, maybe first class for that, but well done. And back to our graduates, the stars of today. Well done you. Da iawn chi. Diolch yn fawr.
Gadewch iddo ffod yn hysbys i aelodau Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yma'n bresennol i gynhela cynnychiaid Brifysgol Di Cymru a Ninas Casnewydd a Ymgelled o Orffennaf 2022. Heddiw, anrwydethion ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi drwy y diliasrwydd a hymdrech ysgolheigiaid eu bod eu gymwys i gael y derbyn a gyffagrafau ac ymysterau eu Brifysgol. Drwy anrwydethu y curiad, gadewch i reini sydd ymyn bresennol gydnabod ein hymwiriad a dathlu a chwydant. Bysodon ni'n gobeithio'n ein disgwyliadau ydyn gan o betho y bwyddant ei roi, y talentau disg, gebon eu proffesiwn a'n chymunedau. Hyderyn bwyddant yn gynffrannu a phydoddol yn cyndeithiais gydag anrwydethiad a clod. Let it be known by the University and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 20th day of July 2022. Today, we honour scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honouring their achievements, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their profession and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries candidates that have been awarded the Master of Laws in International Commercial Law. Famida Matasim Anika. Rina Saeed Awan. Rahutul Islam. Joydip Datta Joy. Azaduzaman Miraj. Mostab Sira Umridul. Janatul Fados The Master of Laws in Law, Mohammed Anak Rahman. Damla Saradas. Sujitha Tangaraja. The Master of Science in Finance and Investment, Adenike Oluwa Damilola Osinaiki. The Master of Science in Forensic Audit and Accounting, Adiola Oluwakimi Hannah Ofalabi. Opoyemi Beatrice Ayobasan. Charlotte Coombs. Bethan Durbin. Hafiz Ayodeji Ibitoye. Nusat Islam. Aisha Musa Nayam Singwa. Prosper Aroture Onofekwowo. Anuja Ramachandran Pillai. Chanel Rampasad. Adrian Ryan Shim Yun Fat. The postgraduate diploma in legal practice, Rachel Glastonbury. Holly Reardon. The Bachelor of Arts in Accounting and Finance, Connor Bickford. Katie Taylor Carlick. Lewis Davis. Mansata Drummer. Mariama Drummer. Marlena Jasinska. Joel Dunn. Andrew Hughes. Sulman Javed. Ethan Jeffries. Callum Jones. Georgia Jones. Jessica Louise Jones. Jakra Kuhn Kabalan. Demi McCauley. Lucy Karen Marsden. Shahjan Mohit. Seren Morgan. Jared Myers. Rhys Richards. Bradley Swatridge. Tyler Howell Tutton. The Bachelor of Arts in Forensic Accounting, Zahama Abdullah. Sarah Louise Davis. James Royston Dennis Davis. Mohammed Sahel Haq. Rebecca Kathleen Ann Joyce. Justine Margaret Rocheberry. Nicoletta Stefan. Jamie Stride. Megan Ann Williams. The Bachelor of Laws in Law, Faja Abdul Hadi. Ronia Akhtar. Mohammed Abdullah Suleiman Salim Al-Salmi. Claudia del Pilar Alonso de la Puente. Artemis Antoniou. Megan Bain. Jahan Zaib Baloch. Rafael Hassan Barkat. Shannon Brooks. Lloyd Joshua Carr. Tashfikur Rahman Chowdhury. Kali Dancy. Corin Davis. Jonas Izuchukwu Eze. Kellis Fencott. Guy Forward. Antri Gavril. Majid Gulzari. Abu Hadibin Hanif. George Haynes. Corey Hayward. Grace Hughes. Sahil Iqbal. Mohammed Shariful Islam. Morgan Jonah. Simran Kaur. Saqib Mahbub, Emrys Murray, Adam John Mwansasu, Connor Paul O'Brien, Ashley O'Sullivan, Molly Peachy, Hayley Phillips, Mohammed Arafat Rahman, Mohammed Rafius Salain, Saeem Udin Shakib, Ben Shaw, Fadwa Taha Khalifa Shdewi, Sasha Staton, Isabella Maria Stiliano, Mohammed Merab Hussein Turag, Karis Nicola Watkinson, Scott Morgan Williams, the Bachelor of Laws in Law with Criminology and Criminal Justice, Alicia Lee Baxter, Rhiannon Mary Byrne, Liam Chislett, Morgan Caitlin Evans, Maya Greenslade, Lauren Paula Hall, Megan Louise Jones, Emma McGuinness, Rachel Jane Roberts, Luciana Keres Sansom, Bethany Shotton, Amber Sterry, Sophie Townsend, Chantal Williams, the Bachelor of Laws in Legal Practice, exempting Casey Marie Baldwin, Kaylee Cottingham, Ruth Dalling, Bethan Louisa Dean, Megan Leanne Dean, Cameron Miles Grundy, Rachel Harries, Madison Heal. Courtney Rebecca Jenkins. Sophia Elizabeth Matthews. Rebecca Scott. David Walton. Bethany Jane Williams. The Bachelor of Laws in Legal Practice, non-exempting, Varshamal Gigi. The Bachelor of Science in Banking, Finance and Investment, Eugene B. Yiloan Fan. Ying Chen Lee. Zonglin Lee. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Business Studies, Coleg Gwent Ebervale, Sasha Booth. Megan Hunt. Simon Key. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Business Studies, Coleg Gwent Torvine Learning Zone, Nicole Hawkins. Chanel Roche. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Business Studies, Coleg Cymoedd Nangaru, Samantha Jo Harwood. Rhiannon Louise James. Jordan Lawrence. Christopher Gwyn David Martin. Nicola Short. Andrea Margaret Salisbury. Zach Yearsley. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Business Studies, Merthyr Tydfil College, Amanda Griffiths. Julia May Hubbard. Keris Marie Ryan. Paris White. Emilia Williams. Higher National Diploma in Business and Accounting, Gower College, Swansea, Tarmin Ahmed. Thank you. Higher National Diploma in Business and Accounting, Gower College, Swansea, Neo Lodwig. Foundation Degree in Arts and Business Studies, Coleg Gwent Ebervale, Tammy Pierce Williams. The Bachelor of Laws in Law with Criminology and Criminal Justice, Kirsty Dummett. The Master of Science in Finance and Investment, Stephen Dare Olawansi. The Bachelor of Laws in Legal Practice, exempting Ellie Louise MacLeod. Postgraduate Diploma in Legal Practice, Asha Fundi. The Bachelor of Laws in Law, Mamlin Hussain. The Bachelor of Science in Banking, Finance and Investment, Yanning Sun. The Bachelor of Laws in Law, Chinma Metsu. The Master of Science in Finance and Investment, Abhishek Salshish. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Service Sector Management, Cardiff and Vale College, Gazem Salaj. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We will now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees from the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. And perfformio ar ein cyfer ni heddiw, performing for us today, will be the Royal Welsh Wind. A byddant yn chwarae, and they will be playing Fest Fanfare and an ABBA medley. Raddedigion, gwesteion, graduands, honoured guests, congregations, please give a warm welcome to the Royal Welsh Wind. Diolch yn fawr.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science candidates that have been awarded the Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a programme of work entitled Enhancing Our Understanding of Accessibility to Sport in Wales through Geospatial Analysis, carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Mitchell Langford and Professor Gary Higgs, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science, and in collaboration with Sport Wales, Andrew Christopher Price. The Master of Science in Computing and Information Systems, Mohammed Safayet Hossain. Jamil Hussain. The Bachelor of Science in Applied Computing, Faisal Mubarak YM Al-Ali. Abdul Latif Ahmed AI Al-Bunain. Andre Aldovescu. Naveed Ali. Mohammed Fahad AA Al-Kabi. Ali Hassan AM Al-Mal. Kieran Fallon. Lucy Lai. Georgi Lambrev. Damith Sanjaya Rajaguru Mudiyansalage. Joshua Thomas. Cheruta Binod Ratna Kumara de Silva Thotagamuage. Ryan Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Applied Cybersecurity, Leon Head Nadim Ali. Mohammed Ijazul Kareem Ali. Aurangzeb Balok. Rehan Bashir. Matthew Campbell. Sam Chapman Skinner. Silvio Dorin Krakian. Tyler Edwards. Antonio Xavier Fernandez. Patrick Godzall. Mikhail Grabos. Adam Heaps. Jaydan Joshi. David Knight. Kieran J. Marsh. Ross McKenzie. Chelsea Miller. Emma Jane Montgomery Grimes. Ryan Newell Harris. Geraint Peach. Samuel Perry. Sava Michael Pistolas. Lewis Daniel George Pusey. Abhinav Rajiv Kumar. Sumith Sanjeevan. Zach Streeter. Lewis Vaughan. Robert Mark Westwood. Samuel Neil Paul Watley. Jonathan Mark Pierre White. Joel Williams. Bledin Aled Wyke. The Bachelor of Science in Computer Applications Development, Daniel Duarte Camacho Domingos. Benjamin Jones. Bashir Olowasian Solomon. The Bachelor of Science in Computer Forensics, Thomas Anstey. Jake Baggett. Thomas Hallows. Christopher Daniel Horn. William Housley. Ingrid Sophie Nice. Justin Pocock. Mohammed Saeed. Lauren Scobie. Stephanie Ann Summers. David Thacker. The Bachelor of Science in Computer Games Development, Sam Falla. Kieran Gambin. Joshua Griffiths. Ryan Harris. Alex Jones. Isaac Jones. Caitlin Mould. Josh Priest. Joseph Wallen. The Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Kumal. Callum Allen. Jacob Bynum. Jack Lee Davis. Benjamin James Harrison. Lewis James Impey. James Harry Maynard. Jack Milgate. Saleh Mohammed. Ryan Marunga. Said O'Malley. Kerry Ann O'Brien. Nisa Soraya Binti Sharil. Elizabeth Margaret Svavarsdottir. Jennifer Wewell. Daniel Brian Weigold Stannard. Aaron Richard Williams. Jamie Williams. Matthew Leroy Wisden. The Bachelor of Science in Computer Security, Adrian Overby Anderson. Mohammed Tasnim Anaf Buyan. Matthew Britton. Niall Cudmore. Rhys Jenkins. Herman Jensen. Dominic Johns. Edward Lawrence Jones. Katie Louise Keane. Murad Nazakat. Justine Emma Rogers. Mena Lucia Vaughan. The Bachelor of Science in Information Communication Technology, Lai Yi Chung. Owen Cook. Joseph Griffiths. Aaron Hall. Pierce Jones. Khalil Mizerli. Amelia Wills. The Bachelor of Science in Mathematics, Sophie Blan. Emily Edwards. David Mulcahy. Amy Maisie Partridge. Zoe Keris Saunders. Hannah Jasmine Vaughan. Sophie Caitlin Grace Weeks. Tom Winchester. The Higher National Diploma in Computing, Cardiff and Vale College, Barry, Christopher Tebby. The Higher National Diploma in Computing, Coleg Gwent, Ebervale, Sabrina Lorente Sanchez. Higher National Diploma in Computing, Coleg Gwent, Newport, Stephen Evans. Kieran Fay. Nicholas Malalebsi. Samuel Paddington. Higher National Diploma in Computing, Merthyr Tydfil College, Luke James. The Higher National Diploma in Computing, Coleg Gwent Newport, Liam Glover. The Higher National Diploma in Computing, Coleg Gwent Ebervale, Jaden Williams. The Master of Science in Data Science, Zainab Agar. The Bachelor of Science in Applied Cybersecurity, Theo Ernie. The Higher National Diploma in Computing, Cardiff and Vale College, Cardiff, Mark Robinson. The Doctor of Philosophy, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Low-Cost, Close-Range Digital Photogrammetry for Coastal Cliff Deformation and Beach Monitoring, was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. David Kidner, Dr. Malcolm Thomas and Dr. Nathan Thomas, Faculty of Computing Engineering and Science, Mitchell, Ayameri, Eboigby. The Bachelor of Science in Applied Cybersecurity, Randolph Charles. The Bachelor of Science in Applied Computing, Ebuka Barry Chukwumeka. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and most importantly, graduates. Graduation is always an occasion for very formal academic ceremony. But more significantly, perhaps, for all of you in the audience, it is a moment of great pride. Indeed, for parents, partners, and friends here today, it is also a moment of great emotion. Especially today, after you have all had such a long wait for this day because of the global pandemic. Everyone on this stage shares your pride in our new graduate success. I would also like to take a moment to recognise that our graduates did not achieve this success entirely alone. Sitting in the audience today are the people who they relied upon implicitly for support, encouragement, and understanding as they tackled the challenges of their degree in what can only be described as unprecedented times. So I am sure that you will all agree with me when I say they deserve a warm round of applause. For each and every one of us on the stage today is the high point in the university year, and one we have greatly missed over the past couple of years. I want to pay tribute to the nearly 3,000 staff at this great university. They too have played their part, teaching, mentoring, feeding, supporting, counselling, encouraging, and occasionally chivying, I suspect. Bringing about student success is what my colleagues are all about. Therefore, I believe they too deserve our acknowledgement of and appreciation for the part they played. However, primarily today is a celebration of you, our new graduates, and your achievements. We know from long experience that the higher education this university provides is highly valued by employers, and the university's success in fitting its students for the world of work is justifiably a source of gratification. However, we are equally proud of our impact in transforming individual lives through education, training, and knowledge. We strongly believe that USW nurtures citizens who, as they go out into our world, can and will play a constructive role in public life. You not only have the ability to think critically, to subject assertions to robust analysis, but to explore difficult or contentious issues in an atmosphere of respect and positive expectation. Crucial skills in any walk of life. You also have amazing resilience and commitment to have studied and achieved through a global pandemic which altered our lives in so many ways. These are timeless values. They are fundamental to this university. We hope they are now your values too, as scholars and graduates of our university. All of you, as the alumni of the University of South Wales, are now ambassadors, both for the university itself and for what we strive to achieve. Well done, all of you, and our warmest, best wishes go with you for your continued success. Thank you. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. Please, I now invite you all to stand for the national anthem.